Eyes left. Sir, Lithuania Polish-Ukrainian Brigade is ready for the opening ceremony. Brigade commander Colonel Bratishka. National Brigade.
United for Williams.
Thank you very much. Please conduct them. Carry on.
Formation. Attention. Attention. And adhesion.
What is the aim of this exercise?
The main aim of this exercise is just assess the affiliated units' capability and the capacity under the command of the Lead Polk Brigade.
Czy mógłby Pan powiedzieć, że it was a great challenge for us, but we did it?
Of course, it was a great challenge because each exercise is a challenge. So that's why you organize exercise just to create the challenge for the fighting soldiers, not just for the fun. It's for the challenges the soldiers. I, as an officer, scheduling the exercise, I started preparing the specification for this exercise, what, when, who, how and when it will be organized and sent to the Ukraine. It's really good for you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.